There's an alert going and my thing's not getting it. My new radio's not getting it. Shoot! I don't even know what it is. Sorry that I'm not getting the entire alert. My fault.
Source, radar
Okay, so here's my storm.
Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible.
I was recording another video for a different channel. That's why
and power
I was
lines
about
is possible. Locations impacted include Bedminster, Milford, Sellersville, Revere, Outsville, Dublin, Ricklandtown, Sargentville, Quickcaretown, Silverdale, Pipersville, Percy, Trombowersville, Rowena, Ferndale, Tinicum, Lumberville, Durham, Stockton, and Fronttown. This includes Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Hunterdon, New Jersey, and Bucks, Pennsylvania.
Sorry that I didn't get the full alert.
The current...
My WR400 just went off.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, south central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bayview, or 7 miles northeast of Delaware Grace, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Newport, Greenville, Stanton, West Grove, North Star, Landenberg, Delaware Memorial Bridge, Kennett Square, Wilmington Manor, Tuscanaman, Brookside, Ellesmere, Pike Creek, Avondale, Campbellsville, Newark, Hockenson, Ashland, Wilmington, and Newcastle. This includes Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile marker 0 and 15. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Chester, Pennsylvania, and Newcastle, Delaware. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Vista Center, or 13 miles northwest of Toms River, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allenhurst, West Long Branch, Howell, Wayne-Amasa, Lock Harbor, Tinton Falls, East Freehold, Jackson, Oakhurst, Oceanport, Shrewsbury, Red Bank, Middletown, Jackson's Mills, Interlaken, West Freehold, Long Branch, Adelphia, Sandy Hook, and Keensburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 15 and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 98 and 117. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Monmouth and Ocean.
Okay, another alert going through on KI-28.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware,
Oh, dang.
southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 11:30 p.m. At 7:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy
I'm
rain
gonna leave you
across
guys here
the
really
warned
quickly
area.
and see if I can get
Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain
WXL
has fallen.
30 somewhere. 30
Expected
on
rainfall
somewhere.
rate is
Okay?
0.5
Got
to
it?
1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include
Okay, got it. I just have to put my hand on it.
Westtown, Swarthmore, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Newport, Arden, Talleyville, Elam, and Concordville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 12. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 7. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 5 and 23. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Oh, doubleheader. Second, I think. WXL.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New
Yep.
Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County and southeastern Montgomery County.
Yeah, severe thunderstorm warning. That's cool.
Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania.
That's why they're relaying
Philadelphia
it.
County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Delaware County in
I want to see
southeastern
if
Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m.
any certain stations relaying it. I'm going to keep you guys here.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Nether Providence Township, or 13 miles east of Westchester, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Cornwell's Heights, Eddington, Withnuming, Abington, Trainer, Eddystone, Village Green, Green Ridge, Maple Glen, Bryn Mawr, Prospect Park, Great Idyll, Penwyn, Jenkintown, Brunel, Chester, Chester Township, Rutledge, Drexel Hill, Sharon Hill, Willow Grove, and Horsham. This includes the following highways:
I'm going to have to edit my face out now. Hey, it's fine now.
Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 16, and between mile markers 19 and 37. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 331 and 350. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Here is the
Weather alert. Okay, there we go. There we go. Severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, I don't care anymore.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was over Roxborough or near Philadelphia, moving northeast at per hour.
Okay, they're not relaying it. Literally, they're covered by Philly. Or no, they're just not relaying it.
Source: radar indicated.
So WXL and KIH relayed it.
Wind damage to roofs.
If you didn't hear it, WXL 29 and KIH 28 relayed this alert.
Include Cornwell's Heights,
And it's severe thunderstorm.
Feasterville, Trevose, Churchville, Holmesville, Abington, Rockledge, Morris Park, Fort Washington, Hatboro, Bryn Mawr, Flourtown, Village Shires, Bristol, Stackley, Lakeboro, Penwyn, Jenkintown, Kensington, and Woodbourne. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 338. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 26 and 40. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 333 and 344. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. The severe...
Alert, alert, alert. Severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, we'll go over to my SDR.
Southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:30 p.m. At 9:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gap, or 12 miles.
Oh, it's good that I just tuned to this frequency.
Northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Elverson, Cochranville, Loran, Birdsboro, Coatesville, South Pottstown, Glenmore, New Morgan, Amity Gardens, Pootown, Kenworth, Honeybrook, Shadarville, Parkersburg, Atwood, South Coatesville, and Pottstown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 310. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 5. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, and Chester.
Alert, special marine warning. Special marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, Tidal Potomac from Carm Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, until 8:15 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles south of Westmoreland State Park to 16 nautical miles southwest of Yokomico River to 12 nautical miles northwest of Urbana Inlet, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Breton Bay, Hooper Island Light, Cuckold Creek, Colton's Point, Coles Point, St. George Island, Point No Point, Calvert Cliffs, The Targets, Richland Point Buoy, Greenwell State Park, St. Leonard Creek, St. Clement Bay, Piney Point, mouth of the Potomac River, Carm Island, Point Lookout, Tall Timbers, Drum Point, and Amity Bay. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Here is
the
alert for something. This is on WXL 39.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey until 5:45 p.m.
Yeah, there we go.
At 11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Crandon Lakes for 8 miles northwest of Newton, moving north at 25 miles per hour.
Okay, choosing to shoot it because I don't think they cover it.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Sorry that glare is there. That's
from
from my,
damage to roofs, windows,
from a
and
light.
vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Crandon Lakes, Montague, and Haynesville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Sussex, New Jersey.
Okay, here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Demon's Ferry, or 7 miles southwest of Montague, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Matamoros, Milford, and Demon's Ferry. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Pike, Pennsylvania.
Okay, yes. It's probably horrible to hear. One second, let me fix my antenna. It fell over. Oh, God.
From New York, East Central Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m.
Something.
At 6:12 p.m.
It's in the local system. SVR.
Radar indicated.
There we go.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fallsburg, Monticello, South Fallsburg, Matamoros, Woodsboro, Woodridge, Haven, Phillipsburg, Loch Shilby, and Earlyville. For your protection, move to an interior room
I'm
on
gonna
the
play you
lowest
guys
floor of
song,
a
so,
building.
you can hear
Your
it.
thunderstorm